Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Sport 30 TFSI. It comes finished in the stunning Ibis White, sure to turn heads on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has achieved 37,145 miles. To the side of the car's profile, rolling on 17-inch alloy wheels, with a 5 parallel spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest and 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the centre armrest and manual seating adjustments for extra comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, with a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by activation of the car's Bluetooth. The car menu, the Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid, for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. With driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media, to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio, to listen to your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with ease and confidence. Below, you have the dual zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature. Never lose charge on the go with the 2 USB charging points, and the 6 manual gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to this car's profile. If this is for you, call 01782 488 205. Thank you.